Like a ship's captain, business leaders have relied on a skilled crew and on technology to help find optimal routes and steer clear of troubled waters. Set the right course for your business to achieve its goals. IDC research shows top business priorities are improving productivity and efficiency, revenue growth, customer acquisition, and cash flow while reducing costs. These companies face challenges in achieving their goals, such as setting appropriate strategic direction and strategy, forecasting, understanding, and providing for financial needs of the organization, and dealing with the burden of using legacy technology. Many business systems are built around spreadsheets or other limited technologies like legacy systems that can't keep up with demand, are a burden to use, add more time for the simplest of tasks, and add risk because they are prone to errors. Stormy weather may mean you need to batten down the hatches and navigate through rough seas. Deciding which course to take requires reliable data, insights, and intelligence to effectively manage risk. A clear view is needed of where the business stands currently with the right tools for charting the best route ahead. Modern technology, paired with a local ecosystem of experts that provide best practices and insight, is essential. Managers of growing businesses need to move beyond limited spreadsheets and raw databases. A modern ERP, enterprise resource planning solution, running in the cloud as a software service, can help businesses run their operations more efficiently and more intelligently. ERP is an integrated, real-time business management system that gives business leaders an up-to-date operational and financial picture. ERP software for businesses can help you manage your entire business with a minimum of trained experts. It increases employee productivity and process efficiency, providing leaders with more visibility and insight across your entire business. By 2022, 90% of new mid-market ERP system selections will prioritize analytics, data, and pre-built cognitive business processes as critical differentiating features when choosing between ERP offerings. Having a strong ERP in place is important for growing companies. 49% of small and medium enterprises use ERP. 36% of small and medium enterprises don't use ERP but plan to add it in the next 12 months. 76% of top-performing mid-sized companies use ERP, while only 28% of laggards do. Stop managing precious resources by spreadsheets and limited patchwork technology, and start actively managing in real time with modern business management technology like a cloud-based ERP solution. The best cloud ERP systems that run finance, procurement, inventory, and asset management can also manage customer, employees, professional services, and manufacturing operations processes.
Move beyond spreadsheets and basic accounting software to control costs and scale efficiently as you grow. SAP offers cloud and on-premise ERP software to help manage everything from accounting and CRM to supply chain management and purchasing. We have a solution that fits your business and your budget. And no matter where you take your business, you can never outgrow SAP. Learn more at sap.com/SMB-ERP.